Hello friends, welcome to our channel Mangesh Basic Art. Today we see how to practice before draw a final sketch. Let's start our today's topic. Our today's topic is fruit basket. Here for drawing a fruit basket we use a square at the time of practice. That square balanced drawing. Also we use basic line that gives the effective sketch. We don't need all details at the time of practice, only simple design we need. From that, we get the best and effective compose of drawing. Here, also we use the curve line to draw a shape of basket. Here, I smoothly draw the shapes of fruits. It is more important to practice a different key sketch for basic practice of drawing before drawing a final sketch as like engineer. So let's see what engineer can do before build a huge building. The engineer draw the basic model before building a huge building. Like that, we also draw the small part of our final drawing. Here we draw our first model. We also design our fruit basket. Any design you can draw here. Here it is our first model. Like that, we can draw 5 to 6 model for our practice. Let's draw some more different model of our drawing before drawing a final sketch. From that we get newly formed effective drawing shapes. From all that shape we select the better shape for final drawing, which is more effective and easy to draw and for final sketch. Here I draw the 6 model. Like that, we select the best and effective shape for our final drawing, which we like most, which have best design, which is best for composing and also easy to draw. From all these 6 model, you can select any one model, which is easy to draw. Here, I select 5th number model. You can also draw the handle for fruit basket, but it is not mandatory. We only draw the fruit basket. Here, this 5th number model we again draw. Firstly, we can draw the square. Then, we can draw the base of basket by using basic line. Then again we draw the shape of basket with using curve line. I can use curve line to draw the shape of fruit basket. By using square and basic line, we draw the smooth drawing and also add the more detail for perfect sketch. Here I draw the smooth fruit shape. Here we draw the shape of any fruit. Here I draw apple, mango and grape shape. You can also draw the leaves of grapes. You can draw any fruit. It is not mandatory to take only these fruits. You take any fruit which you want. Also add more fruit in that basket. We also add pineapple, we also design our fruit basket for effectiveness or beautiful look. Here you can design our fruit basket. You can draw any design. This is our practice model. It is not our final model. From this practice model, in next video, I can draw the final model. Here it is our practice model, complete practice model. From that I can draw the final model. Okay friends, then in this video we see how practice is more important for drawing. As like practice makes man perfect, like that from practicing a new different model we get new different design, new idea and new perfect model for our drawing. So here we stop. Hope you enjoy the video. In our next video we see how to draw the final drawing from that practice model. Thanks for watching. Stay home, stay safe.